Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Now we're gonna, you've got it in the laser and everything's correct. All the things formulated. Your red dot pointer follows the lines perfectly. Now we need to put, so I just typed out 6 initials and I need to break them apart. So I have individual ones. For some reason, if we look close, centering that object, that is in the center of that object. The center is in the center. This is not in the center. I do not know why that is. You can tell it's a lot further from there to there. So what you have to do in this case is hold down the shift key, click on that, and then go EC, and it puts it in the center, okay? Don't group it, just rotate it 60 degrees. Do the same thing with the next initial. Don't do anything to it, just rotate it. Don't duplicate it, because if you do, then you'll have more than one cut line. EC, and you can go CE or EC, it doesn't matter which one you do first. So we're going to shift, this time I'm going to go EC. 210. This time I'm going to go CE. Doesn't matter which way you do it. I only rotated it not enough. I need to rotate it 240 degrees. CE or EC, one more time. Pretty easy. It would be nice if you didn't have to rotate it, but if you don't, it doesn't work. Let's take this one out and let's put it back to 0. And now, well, let's play like we're going to do it, and let's rotate it 60 degrees. And then we'll shift select this and watch what happens. It's not in the center. I do not know why. This is a lot further up. So it's pretty easy just to rotate it and get it done. But this is only after you've done your test and everything's right, and it will laser in those spots. But, do multiple tests. Have it go, select all these and have it red dot. Hopefully you have a red dot pointer. If you don't have a red dot pointer, take some masking tape and mask over your thing and just barely, like 100 speed or like 2 power, just barely burn through the tape to make sure you're on there. I can't imagine a life without a red dot pointer. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.